In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover old photos from Gmail account and Google Drive. If your photos were backed up with your Google account, your best first move is to check the trash, because Google keeps recently deleted items for a limited time before they're permanently removed. In Google Photos, deleted images stay in the trash for up to around 60 days. In Google Drive, deleted files remain in the trash for about 30 days. Acting quickly gives you the highest chance of getting them back. Let's start with Google Photos. On a computer, open your browser and go to photos.google.com, trash. Sign into the Google account where those photos were originally saved. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm you're in the right one. A quick check of the profile icon in the top right can prevent a lot of confusion. Inside the trash, scroll to look for the images you want. Items in trash won't show up in search or albums, so browsing is key. When you find them, select the photos and choose Restore. This sends them back to your main photos library and any albums they belong to. Keep in mind, if the 60-day window has passed, the items will no longer be in the trash and can't be restored. If you do restore them, it's a good idea to download local copies or add them to a clearly labeled album so they're easy to find later. Next, check Google Drive. Go to drive.google.com and sign into the same Google account. On the left sidebar, click Trash to open your deleted items. Look through the files for your photos. These might be individual images or folders. When you find what you need, right-click and select Restore. Drive will return the files to their original locations in your drive. If you're not sure where they go afterward, use Drive search bar to find them by name, or sort by last modified to bring recently restored items to the top. Remember that Drive uses a shorter retention period of roughly 30 days, so older deletions may no longer be available to recover. A couple of final tips. If you originally saved photos from email attachments into Google Photos or Drive, restoring them from trash works the same way described here. After restoring, consider downloading the important images to your computer or an external drive for extra peace of mind. And when searching, always double-check that you're signed into the correct Google account. That's it. Start with the trash in Google Photos, then check trash in Google Drive. With a bit of careful searching and timely action, you'll often get those memories back.